Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete and remove folders in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, wait a moment for your emails to fully load so you can access all your folders and mailbox contents. Now that your email has loaded, let's get into deleting those folders. Navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of your screen. This is where all your emails and email folders are located. Take a moment to locate the specific folder you want to delete or remove from your Outlook account. This could be any custom folder you've created or one that you no longer need cluttering your workspace. Once you've found the folder you want to remove, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options available. From this list of options, simply click on Delete Folder. This is the first step in removing the folder from your Outlook system. After clicking Delete Folder, a confirmation window will appear on your screen. This window is asking you to confirm whether you really want to delete the selected folder. Go ahead and click on OK to proceed with the deletion. This moves the folder to your deleted items, but it's not completely gone yet. Think of this as a safety net in case you accidentally delete something important. Now, to completely remove the folder from Outlook, you need to take one more step. Head over to your deleted items folder, which you'll find in the same inbox pane where your other folders are located. Open this folder and look for the folder you just recently deleted. It should be there among your other deleted items. Once you locate it, delete the folder again by right-clicking on it and selecting Delete, or simply selecting it and pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. This permanently removes the folder from your Outlook account, freeing up space and keeping your email organized. And that's it. You've successfully deleted and completely removed a folder from Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.